Good morning, y'all. I'm going to introduce your assignments for today, the 24th, and tomorrow, the 25th. So let's just take a look here. You go to our Canvas course, which obviously get me off the screen. It's going to be under Wednesday is right here, explanation of assignments. That's what you're looking at right now. And then if you go here to this Keith Haring assignment, it's going to give you this right here, which is a little bit about who Keith Haring was. His iconic kind of dancing figures that a lot of y'all seen. I've seen even some y'all wearing sweatshirts and t-shirts with his imagery on them. What you're going to do is you're going to, from this list, you're going to make 3 different figures. Okay, you're going to have a head on one, an upper, and a lower. Okay, and then you have to do 2 extras, which are, you can use either the extras or the symbols, whichever ones you want to use. You have the option of just picking and making your own, or you can do what's called roll a masterpiece, which is where you actually roll. You won't actually roll a dice. I've put a link to a random number generator that you can use if you can't figure out what you want to do, or you just want to be a little bit more chaotic and have it pick it for you. Here's a little part of a worksheet that you'll have with you that you can use to practice some of these if you want. But this kind of just explains it step by step. You can kind of see it. It might be hard to see on your handouts, but essentially you can see down here where they've created 3 different figures and a couple different extras. This dog, and then like this symbol up here. It also has the directions again down here, as well as I have kind of given those to you as well. Typed those out myself. You guys, I want you to use an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, which is just a normal computer-sized sheet of paper. I've told the sub, for those of you who are in class, to hand you out a sheet. Y'all also know up in the front of the classroom, over where I keep the colored pencils and the markers, down at the bottom there's a big stack of paper. That's where you get the paper, so please help the sub if she's not sure where to get it. Those of you who are at home, you can use, if you only have notebook paper, that'll work. But it needs to be the full sheet. So I want y'all to fill up this entire sheet. This is your other assignment for this week. So please take time, do these well. They have to have color. So they have to have colored pencil or marker. If you want to do paint, that's fine. Those in class, I'm not going to have you let you do paint, just because that's something that the teacher is going to have to, the sub would have to facilitate, and I don't think that's fair to them. I guess the only other thing I want to show you real quick is go back to my Canvas course here. And actually, let me minimize myself real quick. Is this random number generator. So you'll click on this random number generator, and it'll take you to this page. When you click that link, the minimum will already be set at 1, but you just set the max at 6, and then you come over here and you click generate, and it'll automatically randomly pick a number for you. Okay, and that's how you use that random number generator. So I think that's it, guys. Remember, these assignments are due Friday by midnight. I will be back now next Monday. They changed the protocol, so I don't have to be out until next Wednesday. So I'll see all of you on Monday and Tuesday of next week. Man, it's early. I'm tired. Okay. Well, oh, and if you're still hanging with me, and if you actually watch this, here is my, right there. Here's my little new baby boy. I'm on baby duty right now because Mama is sleeping. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing incredibly well. I look forward to seeing you all in class, and so that we can hit it and get after it once I get back. But y'all have a great day, and I will talk to y'all soon.